If you want to invest in crypto without constantly watching the market, this video is for you. Today, we're going to see how to use the DCA bot on Bybit EU, a simple but extremely powerful strategy to invest consistently over time. Instead of trying to time the market, you let a bot invest for you, automatically. And if you want to try Bybit EU, you'll find a link in the description and in the pinned comment, with bonuses and trading fee discounts. Make sure to watch until the end, because this is the kind of tool that can completely change the way you invest. Before we get into the practical part, let's quickly understand what DCA is. DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. It's a strategy where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. Instead of buying everything at once, you spread your entries over time. This helps reduce the impact of volatility, and it's especially useful if you're a long-term investor or if you don't want to monitor the market all day. Now let's look at how the DCA bot works on Bybit EU. The concept is simple. You choose one or several cryptocurrencies, set an investment frequency, and the bot will automatically buy for you. Everything runs in the background, without any manual intervention. Now let's move to the practical setup. Once you're on Bybit EU, go to the Tools section, then click on Trading Bot. You'll land on the bot page. And here's something important. There is a built-in tutorial button on this page, which gives you access to detailed guides if you want to go deeper. To create your DCA bot, click on Create. You'll access the setup interface. First step, choose the currency used for investing. Then select the cryptocurrencies you want to accumulate. You can choose a single asset or build a small portfolio. Next, define the amount you want to invest at each interval. This is the amount the bot will use automatically every time. Then, choose the investment frequency. It can be every hour, every day, or every week. You adapt it to your strategy. You can also set a maximum investment amount. This is optional, but it helps you control your total budget. Once this limit is reached, the bot will automatically stop. Then you simply review your parameters and click Confirm. And that's it, your DCA bot is now live. From that point, everything is automated. At each interval, the bot will execute buy orders. Funds are taken directly from your funding account. You can track everything in the My Bots section. You'll see your performance, your average entry price, and the evolution of your position. If you want to adjust your bot, you can modify parameters at any time. You can change the frequency, the investment amount, or the maximum allocation. Changes are applied instantly. And if you want to stop the bot, you can do it anytime. You choose how you want to receive your funds, and everything is transferred back to your account. Now, a few important things to keep in mind. DCA does not guarantee profits. It's a strategy designed to reduce risk, not eliminate it. Returns will always depend on market conditions. And as always in crypto, make sure you understand what you're doing before investing. That being said, DCA remains one of the simplest and most effective strategies for long-term investing. You automate your investments, you remove emotions, and you build your position over time. If this video helped you understand how to use the DCA bot on Bybit EU, make sure to subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you prefer investing all at once or using DCA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.